Hey you guys, so I went to Giant yesterday, and I got both of these for $4. The Tide was $1.99 with no coupons. It's like, the little small bottle, and then the Lysol, the wipes were $1.99. The regular price was $2.79 for the wipes, and then this was like $5. I think it was, like the actual retail price. So I'm definitely gonna start couponing again in the new year because I need to like stock up on some stuff. But I'm only gonna stock up on stuff that like I need, because I used to like coupon like years ago, and I would just like buy everything, and I would have to have too much stuff. So I'm only gonna get like a select amount of items when I start couponing again. So this is for this week. These deals, December 23rd, the week of December 23rd at Giant. So, and I'm pretty sure like Stop and Shop and Martin's, I think, will have the same deals. But check out your local paper ads or whatever to see if you can get these items for only $2 each. Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.